In this video, I'll guide you through how to rename a Google Cloud project, whether you're organizing a growing list of projects or just want a clearer name that matches what you're actually building. Changing the project name is a simple but very useful task. We'll walk through it step by step, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you understand exactly what's happening. First, make sure you're signed in to the Google Cloud console in your web browser. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen for the main navigation panel. This is the vertical menu that gives you access to different sections like compute, storage, and so on. From that navigation panel, you're going to look for the section called I am and admin. Depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll a little to find it, but it's usually grouped with the core administration options for your account. Click on I am and admin. This is where Google Cloud keeps most of the tools related to permissions, roles, and overall project administration. Inside this section, you'll see several options. The one you're interested in right now is called Settings. Go ahead and click Settings. This opens the main settings page for the project you currently have selected. On the settings page, you'll see basic information about your project, like the project name, project ID, and possibly the organization or billing account it belongs to. The area we care about is the project name field. This is the label you see at the top of the console and in various menus, and it's what you and your team will use to quickly recognize the project. To change it, click directly on your current project name. This will let you edit the name. If you don't see an option to click or edit, it usually means you don't have the required permissions, and you may need to ask a project owner or administrator to make the change for you. Once the name becomes editable, type in the new project name you want to use. Try to choose something descriptive and consistent with your other projects, especially if you're working in a team environment. For example, you might include the environment like dev, test, or prod, or reference the main application or client the project belongs to. Remember, you're only changing the display name here. The underlying project ID usually stays the same and is what many integrations and APIs rely on. After you've entered the new name and checked that it's spelled correctly and looks the way you want, look for the Save button on the page. Click Save to apply your changes. Google Cloud will update the project name, and within a few moments you should see the new name appear in the console header and in your project list. That's all there is to it. You went from the navigation panel into I am an admin, opened settings, edited your project name, and saved the change. Now your Google Cloud project will be easier to recognize and manage, especially as your number of projects grows.